What's up guys, it's Nathan from JAKD. In our previous video, you would have seen us cleaning up and moving into the new JAKD workshop. So now that we've moved in, we're going to give you a tour of the new and improved JAKD. So as you can see, a lot has changed and the work areas are a lot more established. So let's have a look at the homemade spray booth, starting off with brand new lighting all around, which obviously allows us to see the part we're looking at and any imperfections. We've got a new top that rolls down. We installed filters at the top. We've got our hose reel and all our air sorted, got extraction, and basically in here we're going to be spraying parts, e.g. this carbon fender that we're busy finishing off, and you can see we've prepped this so that we can spray the clear coat on, which obviously we'll do in our spray booth. And when we designed the spray booth, we obviously designed it so that we can fit an entire car in here and be able to spray the front of the car and the back of the car with the top down. So yeah, just a very nice space to work in. Super stoked on it. It's nice and clean. You can see what you're working on. Air is here so that it just makes your spraying needs so simple and easy. And yeah, extraction. Bam. There it is. So it doesn't look like much, but this is where the magic happens in getting your car looking sick. So what we got is our spray equipment over here. Guys, we have everything you would need to do composites, body shop work, spray painting work. We have all the tools for that. Over here we got the cupboards. You'll see we've got polish, we've got release agents, we've got paints, body filler, all that stuff's being kept in here. And for example, what we've got over here is we're busy making the mold for the E30 boot. So we're needing to back this up with the Polylite low profile resins so that we can make the back side of the mold for this boot. On this side over here, we've got the E30's carbon fiber hood outer, as you can see, and we are busy prepping it to bond the inner to it. So that's kind of all the work that's happening in here. It's a really cool space, and I'm really stoked on it, and it makes our lives super easy to be able to do all of that sort of work. So on this side of the JAKD alleyway, we have our oven and our carbon fiber rack and cutting table. And you can see we obviously turned this elevator into a really cool oven. Insulated, got heaters, gets to 60 degrees, works really well for doing our infusions and our baking and post-curing. And then this is our cutting table. We've got our carbon, our 400 bi-ax carbon, our flow mesh, peel ply, bag material, all of that sort of stuff goes on here. We can pull it out, we can cut it, we can put it into our mold, and then we can vacuum infuse it and post-cure it in our oven. So this is a very, very important part of the JAKD carbon division. Okay, so moving on, let's talk about some of the cars. So we've got our E46 wagon. I would say this is the second big project we've done, which has obviously the JAKD kit on it, which is the carbon bonnet. We've got the fenders. We completely resprayed this car in-house. It's on air suspension and all sorts of things like that. This is the E36, which was going to be quite a big project. We were going to do a lot of carbon on this car, but because it just runs so well and drives so well, I've kind of been hesitating to touch it because it's probably the stockest car I own. But super dope little coupe. We've got the Subaru over here. This was the first vehicle, and this is the vehicle that kind of started JAKD. I bought this car to start building more specialized composites with the carbon fiber side of things. And yeah, this is the car that we started all of that with, which has the carbon hood, fenders, side skirts. We built this like racing rear diffuser. So a lot of work has gone into this car. We got a 350Z, which is Dom's car. And yeah, he's built this thing into a full drift car, but we've done quite a lot of it at JAKD. With the carbon hood, we resprayed the inside of the car, we installed the jacks, and yeah, we're about to do a job on this car, which is the fenders, the widened fenders, and a carbon front bumper. And this is also his 180SX, which he's wanting us to do a full respray on, but we first need to sort his 350Z out. Okay, moving on to one of the sickest cars in this garage is Carrie's E30. And yeah, we're doing a lot of work on this car, starting with the engine. So we've taken the engine out. It is a 325 non-Vanos engine, and I'm sure she will be telling you guys all about this in her content. But we've got the tappet cover off. We checked everything. We're doing all the seals, and obviously this is turboed. And we're basically going to completely service and do everything that needs to be done on this engine to make it as reliable as possible. We've got the carbon fenders, which we're doing on that side. We've just done the carbon hood, which is looking super dope, super light, and everything works perfectly and factory. So it's factory fit, as you can see. Closes beautifully, lines up. It's perfect. So yeah, we're busy finishing off this hood for Carrie, and yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff we're doing on this car, and you can see that in the videos we're going to be posting in the future. And this build is a little bit of a random one. I'm not super into trucks, but my father is, so we're busy restoring his old 4x4 Merc truck. And yeah, this is the cab we resprayed, and we've done a full restoration on that truck. Rebuilt the engine, transfer case, gearbox, new tires, sprayed rims. It's pretty crazy what we're doing to an old stinky truck, but I love my pops, and yeah. This is basically the workshop area, the mechanical workshop area. So we've got our hoist, we've got our shelves all around. Half of Carrie's car is on that shelf over there. We've got the truck build that we're doing over here. And yeah, this is our workbench. We've got some cupboards for things. We're starting to collect a whole bunch of parts for Carrie's E30. We've got Carrie's diff over here. And yeah, we haven't quite finished this area, but this is gonna be our welding section. So we've got a big welding table. You can check, super thick steel table, and we do all of our welding work on here. So as you guys can see, we've got quite a lot of space over here. And this is where we coil and roll up the fiberglass sheeting, which we make on the manufacturing side of things. But it leaves up quite a big space in this garage, which will allow us to be able to host some car shows. And yeah, that's what we're planning on doing after we post this video, is having a really cool opening and a really cool car show where we can obviously put a lot of cars in here. So lastly, we have this little space where we have our CNC machine. We used to do a lot of CNCing back in the day, but we're going to be getting it back in action, and we've got a few plans for the CNC machine. And obviously we're also using this as our grinding area. And you can see here is the inner for the E30 hood. We've got it jigged up with all the hardware bonded to the inner. And on Monday, first thing, we're going to be bonding this inner to that outer to complete our carbon fiber E30 hood. If you guys can do me a solid, please like this video and subscribe if you want to see what we get up to. Clearly, a lot of BMW stuff. Check you soon.